Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I am here to solve a problem for Diana. Diana wanted pink magnolias, mauve dahlias and hydrangeas. She has asked if I could demonstrate something round and in shades of pink that would be long lasting because it will take pride of place on her patio. Evidently nothing lives or lasts, but be it plants or flowers, because it's just too hot at certain times of the day. Diana, I don't know where you are in the world, but I hope you've got access to these flowers. Diana, my solution is artificial and my fingers are crossed that there isn't any direct light. At tell you about artificial flowers, or artificial botanicals as I like to refer to them. Unless they're UV protected, what will happen is they will go a disgusting shade of blue. So if there is some filtered light, you are fine. Now Diana, because it's going to be a round design, because it's going to go onto a patio, I've found this lovely terracotta, well it's not terracotta, well yes it is terracotta, but it's been paint finished and it's got a nice medallion there, and I just thought that it was if there's any wind that gets in there, this is like really heavy, so it won't be blown off. I've also put some foam into the base of this, and I've only taken the foam just 2/3 of the way up, because we don't need the foam to go right up to the top, so that means we're not going to be wasting. I was going to put some baby tears over there or some moss. Baby tears would have been great and would have continued to grow, but you've also already said that no plants live there anyway, so what's the point? So we won't even bother about that. You could put some moss over here if you wanted to. Now, I found some mauve pink dahlias or chrysanthemums, whatever they are. I thought they were quite nice and I love the colorways. I've got some lovely hydrangeas that have got the pinky tone, so that's connecting through to here. I also, I love these, found these water lily dahlias, and what I've done with these is I've just spray painted with a little bit of gold in the inside, and then I use my my watercolor sheets to actually hand color them, and the colors that I used were deep pink and crimson. So, and the colours are all in here. So there's one of the colours, and that was the other colour that I used to get this lovely shade. The other thing I've done is I've used the magenta to colour inside these magnolias to just give them a little hint of colour. And I don't know what I was thinking when I did those, because it's not quite right, but actually in nature nothing's perfect, so I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so the first thing to go into here are going to be the hydrangeas, and I've only got 2 of those. And as I said, Diana, I don't know if there's any wind in there, so what I'm doing is I'm going to keep everything quite short. I've got 3 of these, so I'll push those in. In fact, I don't do very much pink, so it's quite nice to be doing something pink for a change. And because they're artificial, I can be rough and I can move and manipulate them to whichever way I want. Now with this, I'm just going to put that into there, and I've got 1 more of those, so I'm just going to put that over into there. And then I've got these 3 magnolias, putting 1 down into there, quite low. In fact, keep these all nice and short. This can go a wee bit higher there, and then I'll just bring that to go out and into there. Oh yes, I'm loving this. And then I found this artificial foliage, and when I'm talking about things going blue, this will definitely go blue. I just know by looking at that green what it's going to do. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that into there, and I'll bring this up and over into there, and there you have a really lovely round shades of pink, sturdy, strong. As long as it's not in direct sunlight, this should go on and on and on for ages. How quick and easy is that? In fact, I just want to move that down there. Hope you've enjoyed this, everyone, and I hope, Diana, that this solves your problem. Quick and easy designing. See you again another day.